Good morning and good afternoon. My name is Teacher Ruby. For today's topic, we're going to talk about multiples and factors. Multiples. A multiple is performed by multiplying a given number by counting numbers. The counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Examples. List the multiples of 4. So the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and so on. For example, 4 times 1 is equals to 4, 4 times 2 is equals to 8, 4 times 3 is equals to 12, 4 times 4 equals to 16, 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. So what are the first 5 multiples of 13? 13. Next is 26. Next is 39. Next is 52. The last number is 65. So why is it 13, 26, 39, 52, and 65? Very good. 13 times 1 is equals to 13. 13 times 2 is equals to 26. 13 times 3 is equals to 39. 13 times 4 is equals to 52. And 13 times 5 is equals to 65. Correct. Do you understand now? So find the missing multiples. This is 6, 12, 18. So what is the next number? Very good. It's 24. Next number is 30. Very good. So how about this one? We have here 6, 9, 12, and 21. So if you think we have these numbers, what is the first number here? Very good. It's number 3. So we have here 3, 6, 9, 12. So what number next to 12? Or 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Correct. Next of 15 is number 18. Correct. And 21. So what if we have number 24, 36, 48, and 60? So what is the first number? Do you have any idea? Correct. That is number 12. So we have here 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60. So what is the last number here? Very good. It's 72. This is all types of multiples. Understand? So next, let's talk about factors. So what are the factors? Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get a product. Again, factors are the numbers you multiply together to get a product. For example, the product is 24. Has several factors, right? 24 is equals to 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. These are the factors of 24. Why? Because when you multiply 1 times 24 is equals to 24. These are the numbers that you can multiply is equals to 24. And the product is 24. These are all the factors. Do you understand now? So let's see. Finding factors. Start with 1 times the number. Try 2, 3, and 4. When you repeat your factors, cross out the repeat. If you get a doubles, such as 4 times 4, count it only once, and you're finished. So what are the factors of 16? 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 3 times. 3 is not a factor, so cross it out. 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is double. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Do you understand? The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So what are the factors of number 18? 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times 3. Repeat. Cross it out. We're done. The factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Do you understand? Because when you multiply 1 times 18 is equals to 18, right? When you multiply 2 times 10 is equals to 18. Correct? Yes, it is. Okay, next. How about number 7? So what number can you multiply is equals to 7? Yes, correct. You can multiply 1 and 7 is equals to 7. How about 2? How about 3? How about 4? How about 5, 6, and 7? So 7 times 1 is, this works, but it's repeat, and we're done. So the factors of 7 are 1 times 7, and it's all done. Prime and composite numbers. Here, prime and composite numbers. So listen, prime numbers are the numbers that only have 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Again, prime numbers are the numbers that only have 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. For example, we have here 3, 5, 7, 11, 31. These are the examples of the numbers that are prime numbers. Do you understand? When you multiply 1 times 3 is equals to 3, and that's it. When you multiply 1 times 5 is equals to 5, and that's it. That's what you call a prime number. Next, composite numbers. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors. For example, 6, 18, 30, 100. Again, composite numbers have more than 2 factors. For example, 6, 18, 30, 100. Do you understand? Okay, so let's play a game. All you have to do is to answer if it is yes or a no. Is 6 a prime number? Yes or no? Correct, it's no. Is 7 a prime number? Yes or no? Yes, it is. How about 14? No. Correct. How about 23? Yes. Correct. How about 101? Yes, it is. How about 297 is a prime number? Is it yes or a no? Correct. It's no. So prime factorization using factor 3. What are the prime factors of 20? We have here 20. What are the 2 numbers can you multiply is equals to 20? Yes, it is correct. 2 times 10 is equals to 20, right? So we have here 10. See this one? 10. This is number 10. what number can you multiply? Any number can you multiply is equal to 10. Correct. It is 2 times 5 is equals to 10, right? So we have 2 times 5 equals 20. Again, prime factors of 20 are 2 times 2 times 5. When you go to the exponent form, it should be 20 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 times 5. Do you understand? When you say exponent, we have here whole number is 2 and the exponent is 2. All you have to do is to repeat it times, like 2 times 2 times 5 is equals to 20. Do you understand? Okay. So I have your example, 68. So what number can you multiply is equals to 68? Any number. Okay, 2 times 34. Very good. So what number can you multiply? Any number can you multiply is equals to 34. Correct. 2 times 17. How about 17? No, because only 1 times 17 is equals to 17, right? So we have here now the answer. 2 times 17 is the factors of 68. Correct. When exponent form are 2 to the power of 2 times 12. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. So this is 144. And kids, please get your workbook. All we have to do is to answer the page number 4, letter A. So let's try. Number 1, we have number 13. So all you have to do is to write the factors. So what are the factors of 13? Correct. It is 1 times 13 is equal to 13. So write 1 and 13. How about 22? 1 times 22 is equals to 22. 2 times 11 is equals to 22, right? Okay. So on, you can answer to 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, next, we have page number 5, letter D. It says, list of all the factors of these numbers. Check if these numbers are prime numbers. So we have here number 7. And what are the factors of number 7? Correct. 1 times 7. Is it a prime number? Yes. And you have to check it. Next, 18. 29. 41 and 57. So on your workbook page number 8, we have here the prime factorization tree using factorization tree. So for example, we have number 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So what number can you multiply? Any number can multiply is equals to 4. So we have here 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Next. Workbook page number 8, letter I. Find the prime factorization of each number using a factor 3. Simplify using exponents where possible. So you have to answer here 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, and number 5. So kids, see you next time. That's all for today. See ya.